Good morning, dear children. Today we shall begin with chapter number 12, Torrid Zone. And I hope you all have understood chapter 11, World Geography. I'm repeating it again. Chapter 11 is a very important chapter. Based on chapter 11, all the other three chapters would be very easy for you to understand. Today, let us begin with the torrid zone. Look here, children. We have studied about the three heat zones, namely the torrid zone or the tropical zone or the hot zone. Then we have the temperate zone. The last is the frigid zone. Look at this orange part, children. Which zone is it? Yes, it's the torrid zone. It lies between the tropics, between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And the equator runs through the center of the zone. In this chapter, we will be studying only about the torrid zone. Look at the map, children. The torrid zone covers 4 regions. This is the first region. Now pay attention only to the area between the red colored lines. Okay? With green colored lines I have marked the tropics. The Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. Torrid zone is divided into 4 regions. Remember I told you each latitude makes an angle with the equator. Hence, each latitude has a number from 0 degree to 90 degree in both the hemispheres. Okay, children? The areas which are near to the equator to 10 degree north and 10 degrees south are called the equatorial region. Look here carefully, children. The areas which lie in 0 degree to 10 degree north and 0 degree to 10 degree south are called the equatorial regions. The second region, the areas which lie between 15 degrees north to 25 degree north and 15 degrees south to 25 degrees south. These areas are called tropical regions. The third region is the tropical grasslands. These areas lie between 5 degree to 25 degree north and south. Now let's have a look at the fourth region. The driest areas in or around the tropical regions are the hot deserts. It lies between 15 degree to 35 degree north and south. It lies in the torrid zone and also some areas around the torrid zone. Can you name some dry areas, children? The desert areas like the Sahara Desert, the Australian Desert, the Arabian Desert, the Mexican Desert and the Sonoran Desert. Children, we will stop here. For the homework, you will read page number 83 to page number 87. In the next lecture, we will study the features of the torrid zone. Children, whenever you are studying, please keep a world map in front of you so that you will understand it better along with the latitudes. Okay? Children, I am repeating again, pay attention to whatever you read. Everything is very important. If you don't understand anything, do message me or call me. Alright, children? Bye and take care.